Start by removing the beauty cover. Now we need to remove the ignition coil, one 10mm bolt. Then we take our extension and our spark plug socket and we stick it into the hole, get it nice and tight, and extract the spark plug. Same thing, cylinder 4. I don't know. It looks fine. It's not mowed up. It's got some crusty on it. Okay, so the new one. Look, we got NGKs in here, yo. The gap is the same. I mean, I guess looking at a new one, it does look a lot different. So we're only supposed to put 13 pounds on this. I mean, it seems pretty much the same, which I mean makes sense because it doesn't, like, they look, we'll see. Let's go drive it around, turn it off and on, see if we keep getting the same problems. They're shaking quite a bit. I think the engine mount is blown.